Today we are making something different. Today we are making something delicious with plantain. Are you in? Are you? Hello, creative bangers. Let's clock it together once again. Do you have some plantain at home? This is not banana. This is a senior auntie to banana. This plantain has been resting in my refrigerator for the past 3 days, so I don't have any plans for it. That is how I come up with this idea. Rinse the plantain, go ahead and cut the tail and the head. Transfer into a pot. You are going to add water almost to the same level of the plantain. Mind you, don't use overripe plantain for this, okay? The plantain will be ripe and at the same time firm. Start boiling till it is 100% cooked. You can fry the plantain if you wish. You can air fry if you wish, but I prefer frying or cooking method. Okay, now we are going to peel the plantain. Mind you, if you wish to fry, you need to peel the plantain before frying. Thank you so much for watching today's video. To my returning subscribers, I appreciate you all. If you are new here, a warm welcome to you. Please subscribe to my channel. Also like and share this video with your loved ones. All right, after peeling, set it aside. In another bowl, I'm going to crack in 4 eggs. To that, I'm going to season with some salt, little bell pepper, and some spring onion. These are leftovers in my refrigerator. Feel free to use any vegetable of your choice. Go ahead and mix to combine very well. Once that is done, it is time to sushi. If you are with me at this moment, type sushi time. Drizzle some oil in your pan. You are going to kind of brush the oil. Make sure that it is well distributed around the pan, okay? Now I added the first batch of the eggs. Allow to cook. Beautiful shout out to you, Verona, watching from USA, Mona from London, Marisa watching from Italy, and Ashley all the way from Mexico. Whoops. Aww. I'm glad you all love the recipe. Please let me know your name and where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Apologies if I didn't pronounce your name very well. Okay? All right. Once the eggs cooks, you are going to place the plantain, start rolling, okay? When you roll to the end, you are going to add the next batch of the egg, okay? You can do this as many times as you want, okay? Now I added the last batch of the egg. I'm going to allow it to cook before I do the final rolling. I continue to roll till I get to the end. That's it. Very simple and easy. At this point, you can allow the eggs to cook more, to brown more if you wish, or go ahead and take it off the heat. And we just made what I called plantain sushi. Go ahead and cut in sushi form. And that's it. Very simple and easy. Once you are done cutting, transfer to your serving dish. Are we done yet? No. We need some sauce, or should I say, I don't know. What I'm adding at this point is sweet chili sauce. It's totally optional. Go ahead and enjoy. Do you love my sushi recipe? Do you? If you do, type another banger at the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye.